Samantala sa iba pang ulat sa mga mahilig naman po sa K-pop, isang bagong programa po ang aabangan nyo dito sa telebisyon ng bayan. Ito po ang K-pop Idol Search Edition 2014 na bukas po sa mga Pilipinong nasa edad 14 hanggang 35 taong gulang na marunong pong kumanta, sumayaw at pamilyar sa K-pop. Sa mga interesado po, gumawa lamang ng 5 minutong audition video na may 1 minutong self-introduction. Ang mga mananalo ay sasailalim naman sa 6 na buwang intensive training sa South Korea at may 5 taong exclusive talent contract doon. Bukod po dito, may cash prize din po ang top 5 winners kung saan ang makukuha ng first place ay tatanggap ng 1 million pesos. Bukod po sa maipapakita ang galing ng mga Pilipino, makakatulong din umano ang naturang contest upang mas maipakilala ang makulay na kultura ng dalawang bansa at magpapaigting sa ugnayan ng Pilipinas at ng South Korea.
K-pop Idol Search, in short, Kiss Pinoy Edition, is the first leg of Asian Roadshow to discover highly promising Asian talents. The competition integrates the ultimate artist body and voice, including fashion, style, and bearing to convey a total stage performance. We also intend to build the cultural exchange between the two nations, Philippines and Korea. What differentiates our audition program from the others is that our audition program aims to discover the Filipino talents who will be also trained in Korean artist systems, and they will be trained for the talents they'll be required in working in a entertainment industry. And also, the other audition programs are focused very on Metro Manila areas, but we are targeting to give opportunity to everybody all over the Philippines. So we intend to station in each regions actually. We're giving them more opportunity to more Filipino talents in the Philippines.